you and StereoSteppa as a good friend. That shouldn't come in night. It's all about music, musical work. Okay? So, we ready for the next round? I said, are you ready for the next round? Okay, Trinity.
Yes, massive. If not, you should have said that long, because you are the MC. You have to make the people understand what is happening. StereoSteppa, you're talking about when we're doing a whole and thing, you know. There's nothing goes so, you know. And you know to yourself, when you listen to the audio, you're going to see where Trinity play the bigger tune and thing, you don't know, sin. Everybody, you know, going to bring you back in time, you don't know, sin. Oslo, Stockholm, Scandinavia, Jamaica, Africa, anywhere you come from, I'm going to play the wickedest tune in the world. All the red tooth centimeters. Let me see some signal.
Bound, chow down. This is original Trinity song. Original Nardcore roller. We run this way. I'm saying Fabulous J, I'm saying Flash, I'm saying featuring for the big song. Original, 2 centimeters. Fireball, let it bet. Praise the sound, Nardcore ruler. Trinity sound. Yeah. Just a hugging up this big mountain sound.
Last year, I beat you up all night, you know. Show you how you're fun.
Yo, wicked tune, Trinity, wicked tune. You know what? It's time for a shift in generation. We cannot live on memories of old times. We have to get the new sounds up there, out on the international arena, out on the national arena. You know what, Trinity? You is a great sound, but you getting old.
I'm gonna throw them tin pan sound out of town.
Antonellis!
I have the dub plate. I the boss. StereoSteppa say, pack up and leave the dance sound boy. Run the rhythm. Rock. Look at. Hey. Hey, die tough. Don't you know you're getting old? Die tough.
They're getting old and
tired. Don't you know you're
crying about small things? Talking too much.
Tougher than StereoSteppers. StereoSteppa.
Yo, we don't deal with no biasness. We gain fans as we come into the fucking arena.
Yo. Lights on, please. Okay. Can we have the lights back on again? Me know the light man sick a turn off light and a turn on light, but that's a sound clash thing though. Can you put on the lights, please? Yeah. Okay, now we can see what I go on. All right. Okay. This is the 5th round. If you feel, remember, no biasness, strictly the music. Okay? If you don't feel Trinity win this round, put up your hand now. You see it? Okay. Hands down. I don't want no nice. Just hands alone, okay? If you don't feel StereoSteppa win this round, put up your hand now. I don't even have to think about that. Trinity win the round there. As we move, next, dub for dub.
Yeah.
Turn off the light.
Yeah.
The score is 4-2.
Everybody in the place, and you enjoy yourself, you know, you love your mother, you love your father, you don't know, you love your kids and everything. Let me see some lion pie in the air. You don't know. This artist we're going to play, they're going to be the first combination in the dub for dub. You're going to set them up, you don't know? Yeah, all you love that artist, you don't know, Marcia Griffith alongside Bob Andy. Everybody give me some signal in there. Big tune, no biasness, big tune. Run it.
All drum and sound, step aside and give way to the champion sound, Trinity sound. God, this is your one in the world, Bob Andy and Marcia Griffith. Fabulous team, big up yourself. Flash, Daddy boasting. Are you run teams?
Everybody.
Live and direct, Bob Andy.
Big up
yourself, Trinity.
Killing a sound boy is so easy to do.
Hey!
And that's what Trinity's gonna do to you.
Once again, wicked tune. Once again, a wicked tune. You know what? Let me send this next one out as a tribute to one of the artists. Dead and gone, but not forgotten. Mr. Bunny Ruggs.
Run it, selector.
Oh, you lovers of reggae music.
StereoSteppa,
If you love reggae music.
StereoSteppa. Whoa, yeah. StereoSteppa, the reggae ambassador. That's right.
Yeah.
Whoa, yeah. StereoSteppa, the reggae
Pushing this culture. All right.
Yeah. How we looking? Lights on, please. Thank you. You ready this time? Okay. If you don't feel Trinity wind around you, put up your hand now. Okay. All right, hands down. StereoSteppers, put up your hand now. Okay. I've been advised to take one more vote. Okay? Remember, just the music alone which decide. If you feel Trinity win, put up your hands. No noise. Put up your hands. Okay? Hands down. StereoSteppers, put up your hands now. Supporting StereoSteppers. Okay. No. We're going to vote one more time. One more time. One hand. Put up one hand if you feel Trinity win. One hand. Not two. One. Hands down. Hands down, please. My girl there, put on your hand. All right. Okay. If you don't feel StereoSteppers win, one hand up, please.
You sure?
It don't look clear for me. Okay. Listen. Hold on, put the hand down. Listen. I'm gonna do this. Listen, I'm gonna do this. This is what I'm gonna do. If you don't feel we should go for one more dub for dub, put up your hand now. Hands down. One more dub for dub, I feel. Yeah? One more dub for dub. Because it's not clear. Trinity. Where you say? I'm trying to keep the thing even and square. Boy, sound clash thing not easy at all, sir. Trinity, come try.
Boy, we have so much bumble-clad tune to play, John, now, and every tune we play a goal, you don't know, sin. Right now, you see how I see the dances, and I don't tell people from all Europe, don't be biased, because music is no biasness. I hear someone talking about all and all kind of thing, you don't know. Them thing don't really make it, you know, because it's big man who fuck your mother and make you, you know. Me don't want to go down them way there, you know. Shankle Manacle, Master God make a parkle, the devil get trampled. And that me say, Ja! Well, you see that tune me gonna play now is an original tune again from a Studio One label, original deep cut. Everybody you know, rate Norma Fraser. A woman who rate Norma Fraser. All the man who rate Norma Fraser. The first cut is the deepest. A big bumbo clad tune.
No sound can test Trinity Sound System, the North Pole ruler. Norma Fraser says so. Big up Trinity Sound crew.
Ricky,
Fabulous G,
Ricky
Daddy Boasting, and DJ Flash.
Ricky guy, yeah, big tune. Yeah, big tune. We have so much tune.
Trinity Sound will kill you tonight, sound boy. Our dogs will bury you and eat you like grass. And no one will save your ass. But if you want, you can try to play again.
What we tell?
Sound boy, your box is too regular. I know.
Your box is too regular.
Trinity Sound is the highest. Trinity box is the deepest.
Lassie, the king.
All right, the way I see it, we already did win this. But I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to finish. I don't know if that's a boo or if it's the old man of Trinity trying to breathe. I don't know what it is, you know. But you know what? Let me finish this off right now. Let me finish this off right now. Ken Boots. Yo. Okay, you get that tune.
Okay. All right. According to the rules of Sound Clash, it seems like StereoSteppa is forfeiting that round. So now we are up in 4-3. 4-3. It stands right now. Okay? So as we continue, we don't need to vote. We don't know what's going on. Okay? Are you ready for the next round? You don't need no lights. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Yeah. Okay. When the sound, this man are looking at hard disk and whoa, it gets sticky.
Yeah. Massive, I tell you, we fully loaded, we're not downloaded. Holy artists die recently, you know. Holy man drop out from the business, young and old, you don't know. But you have an artist out of England, a rock steady artist. Let me see all the massive rate, Alton Ellis.
I am not toasting, I'm only boasting, that's my name. And I'm tuned to the champion sound.
Listen to
Trinity,
everybody go
the man
so.
called Fabulous G.
Hey.
What I make you see. Easy Flash.
Pick up all the song in the house now. Major vibes. Large up yourself still.
Run with him. Alternately said, don't test. Rock. King of sound. Hey.
Youngster.
But
Watch your man down dance. Hey.
Look here. I'm still killing them baby sound.
Yo, StereoSteppa, we did kill in the first round, the second round, and the third round, right? Tomorrow, nobody's gonna be talking about Topaz, Safari. They're not gonna be talking about Trinity. You know which sound they're gonna talk about? It's my bad little sound. Squeeze. Pat Kelly!
Talk about fun, yeah. It's hard to kill a champion sound like StereoSteppa.
Pat Kelly!
Forever plays the crowd always beat around.
You see the trophy there? That is mine!
No life to do.
This is fucking it!
StereoSteppa. It will take a miracle to kill
the sounds. And we...
So when you talk about fun,
you talk about StereoSteppa.
You talk about StereoSteppa champion sound.
And
Yeah. Gossa. Okay, can I have the lights on, please? Okay. Are the extra round that? And what can I say?